My dear student, I welcome you all for watching my class. I am Muhammad Shahinul Islam, Assistant Teacher, English, Harimhan Government High School, Sabai Nawabganj. Introduction. Today I will talk about a lesson from Unit 3, Lesson 1. Okay, now look at the pictures. What do you see? In the 4 pictures, we see 4 women and women loving their sons. What do you see in the picture? Some women are crying. One woman seems to feel very anxious for her son. Okay. So the woman who feels for us is our mother. So today our lesson is Mother's Day. This is Unit 3, Lesson 1. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lessons, students will be able to listen to an audio text, talk about pictures, choose the correct answers from alternatives, answer questions, and write a paragraph answering questions. Okay, what do you see? Women with their daughters, with their sons or daughters. Okay. So a mother is she who can take the place of all others, but whose place no other one else can take. Okay. This is a card that we generally send on Mother's Day. Another card to mom that we send on Mother's Day. Here again, once again, we have another card showing motherly affection. This is again a card that we send on the occasion of Mother's Day. Now, my dear students, this is actually a listening class. So, listen to the audio. So, while you are listening to the audio, try to find out the answer of the following 6 MCQ questions. Okay, look at the questions. At the same time, listen to the audio text.
Class 9 and 10, Unit 3, Lesson 1, B, Mother's Day. Mother's Day can be traced back to the times of ancient Greece, when tribute was paid to Rhea, the mother of gods. The next recorded tribute to mothers was paid during the 17th century, when England celebrated Mothering Sunday on the 4th Sunday in honor of Mary, the mother of Jesus Christ. Julia Ward Howe, an American author who wrote The Battle of Hime of the Republic, suggested the idea of Mother's Day in 1872. However, it is Anna Jervis of Philadelphia who is credited with creating Mother's Day in 1905. In 1910, West Virginia became the first state in the USA to adopt a formal holiday to recognize mothers. A year later, nearly every state officially marked the day of celebration. In 1914, President Woodrow Wilson proclaimed Mother's Day as a national holiday to be the second Sunday of May. Today, Mother's Day is celebrated throughout the world on different days. The USA, Denmark, Finland, Italy, Turkey, Australia, Belgium, and Bangladesh celebrate the day on the second Sunday in May, while the UK and some other countries do it on the fourth Sunday. On this day, mothers are honored by their families in different ways. They dine out with them, give them flowers and gifts, and send them cards. The celebration of Mother's Day should be every day. Mothers are the persons who nurture us, teach us, protect us, and make us feel good. They are the people in our lives who are the most responsible for the way we grow.
Okay, my dear students, we have listened to an audio text. Now, try to find out the answer of the 6 questions. Answer to the 6 questions. According to the ancient Greek myths, Rhea is the dash. Mother of gods, goddess of wealth, goddess of love, goddess of health. So, try to find out the answer. The name of Jesus Christ's mother was Rhea Mary Anna Junior Anna. Find out the answer. Julia Ward Howe was a Dutch, English, American, Australian. Okay. Find out the answer. Mother's Day was first announced as a formal holiday in the USA in 1872, 1905, 1914, and 1910. Number 5. In 1914, the American president was Roosevelt, Ford, Wilson, Nixon. Okay, try to find out the answer. And the last one. Which country does not celebrate Mother's Day on the second Sunday of May? Denmark, the UK, Turkey, Italy. Okay. Now, check your answers with my answers. Number 1, Mother of Gods. Question number 2, Mary. Question number 3, American. Look at the image. Answer to the question number 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now, check your answers. So, thank you for checking the answers. Now, answer these questions. What country first observed Mother's Day as a national holiday? Okay, if you forget the listening test, try to listen to the text again. What country first observed Mother's Day as a national holiday? When is Mother's Day now celebrated by most of the countries in the world? Number 3. How is Mother's Day usually observed? And number 4. Why should we observe Mother's Day? Can you answer these questions? Okay, I am helping you. What country first observed Mother's Day as a national holiday? Okay, look at my answer. America. America is the first country. America is the first country that observed Mother's Day as a national holiday. Number 2. When is Mother's Day now celebrated by most of the countries in the world? Okay, second Sunday of May. When is Mother's Day celebrated by most of the countries in the world? Mother's Day is now celebrated by most of the countries in the world on the second Sunday of May. Number 3. How is Mother's Day usually observed? Mother's Day is usually observed by honoring mothers with gifts such as flowers, cards, candy, etc., and also by dining out with them. And number 4. Why should we observe Mother's Day? Why should we celebrate Mother's Day? Okay, look at the answer. We should celebrate Mother's Day to express our respect and great love for our dear mothers. I think the answers of the questions are clear to you. Now, I will give you a homework. Write a paragraph by answering each of the following questions. So, in your paragraph, you should include the answers to these two questions. Do you help your mother with her housework? If you help her, how? Do you celebrate Mother's Day? If yes, when and how? So, write answers to these two questions in your paragraph. Actually, I have given you these two questions. This does not mean that you only write answers only these two questions. You can also add your own ideas. So just write a paragraph within 12 or 15 sentences and keep it at home. When our school opens, I will check. So this is all about today. Thanks to you. Thanks to all. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay at home, and put on mask if you go out in case of emergency. So thank you.